This is a video about using the databases to find the information you might need. You can get to the databases by going to Quincy Public Schools and looking at the schools and going to the specific one that's relevant to you and going to the library there. The other way to find them is to go to Thomas Crane. From the Thomas Crane Library, you'll find links at the top which relate to what are interesting to you. If we look at the Teen section for homework help, and then we go to the databases. The databases are collated, accurate, searchable, and they're cross-referenced with one another so that you can find different things within them. We're going to look at the Science in Context one. Within this database, you'll find at the bottom there are Educator Resources. These help you get the most out of the Gale databases in case you don't remember what you're doing. You can browse different topics, or you can look up something specific. I want to know how cells get energy, so I'm going to look up cells. There's a broad overview, which is the first result from the reference section found here. Again, we can browse through different results if we wish. But what I'm going to do is search within it because I know that I want to know about energy. So that's what I'm going to search for. This reduces the number of results quite significantly. And I decided that I don't really want to read anything particularly complicated, so I'm going to change my content level to make it easier. From there, we can choose the document that we want to read, knowing that it won't be something too difficult. Reading, I find that this mitochondrion is a double-membraned organelle found in the cytoplasm that changes food into energy. That's what I wanted to know about. So what does a mitochondria do? If you click on that, you'll find the cross-reference to the different areas that might be interesting to you. So I click on the mitochondria, it opens a new page which gives me more specific information, and that is exactly what I wanted to know. If you want to cite the page, you can do that at the top of the page. You can change the type of citation if you wish. You can also send it to somebody. You can download it. If you're signed in, you can save it to your Google Drive. And you can get the link. The link at the top of the page is only a junk URL. It's used throughout your search and will not be useful for you to go back to this page at a later date. If you want to go back to it, you need to generate a link which is specific to this page. If you copy this link, this will get you back to the page at a later date. When you're done looking at the page you want to look at, if you want to go back to where you were, you want to use the breadcrumbs at the top of the page rather than just using your browser arrows up here. So then you can get back to where you were before if you wanted to know more about it and remove some of the different limiters that you put in there. All of the databases are available free of charge, and they're all useful in their own way for the different areas